Alright, another episode Outdoors with T, guys. We got these crazy men going down the rapids. So I thought I'd record them. There goes one. Brave young lads. Awesome. They're off to the great start of a great day. All right, good luck to you, buddy. What a bunch of brave young men. I hope they have a great, fun, safe day. Out here on the Skunk River, Outdoors with T, Tommy here. Doing some fishing today, guys. We got some shrimp out there, and we got some worms out there. Let's get the lines on there for you guys. So there we are, set up. 2 different lines with bells. Got worm on the left there, and yeah, on the left on the screen, and shrimp on the white one. River's flowing pretty good. Beautiful out here, guys. Get out there, enjoy some nature. My lines are down in the water right there, about where them kids dropped in. You can see them both right there going into the water. Probably bait somewhere down under the shade right there, right in front of these awesome rapids. Mark's here. My good friend, fellow explorer. Huge love for this kind of life. Just like me, we have a blast. We love meeting up at crazy locations and finding the river on the GPS and just hunting down dirt roads and different bridges until we find new spots. And we got really lucky coming here. It's just gorgeous out here. Getting in, guys. Maybe I'll scare one of these fish up. Oh, that feels nice. Look how pretty it is out here, guys. Cool group of kids, man. I bet they're just gonna have a blast today. They've been down here for a while. We've been patiently waiting to get this footage. It was exciting. It wasn't as wild and crazy as I imagined, which is good for them. I'm a great swimmer, though. If they'd had anything crazy happen, I'd have been in there helping them out. Well, I love y'all. I hope you're having better luck than I am. But happy hunting. I hope you're at least getting out and enjoying some of God's country. Good luck to you guys. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll talk to you next time.